In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find houses to flip on Zillow. If you're an aspiring real estate investor, searching for that perfect property to flip can be quite a challenge. But with Zillow, a world of opportunities awaits once you know how to look. Today, we will explore a step-by-step guide to help you find potential flip properties using Zillow's user-friendly platform. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up Zillow's website on your browser. This is your launching pad to access all the real estate listings available in your area or any area you're interested in. Once you have the website open, you'll see a search bar at the top where you can input your desired location. Whether you're looking to explore your own neighborhood or venture into unfamiliar markets, the key is to pinpoint the area you want to explore for houses to flip. After typing in the location of interest, go ahead and hit the Submit button to begin your search. This action will pull up a variety of listings within the location you've specified. Now, here's a helpful tip. If you have a particular budget or a size requirement in mind, feel free to set those filters. They'll help refine your results to show only the most relevant listings. The next step in your journey is to locate the More button. Clicking on this will provide you with a menu of filters and options. This is crucial as we can further narrow down our search to find those opportunities that fit the criteria for a lucrative flip. Scroll down through the options presented to you. You're on the lookout for the keyword search field. Now, here's the fun part. In the keyword search field, you'll want to type handyman special. This is a common term that often signifies properties that need a bit of work, a perfect clue for real estate flippers like yourself. Once you've typed that in, click on Apply. This will update your search results to only show properties fitting that description. If you'd like to explore other similar opportunities, you can also utilize keywords like fixer-upper. Repeat the process by typing this into the keyword search field and applying it. By using these keywords, Zillow curates listings that often signal houses requiring renovation, making them ideal candidates for flipping. After applying these filters, you're now equipped with a selection of properties that have the potential to become profitable flip projects. From here, you can delve into individual listings, analyze market potential, and perhaps even schedule viewings for the properties that catch your eye. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Zillow's resources to bring forth a list of prospective houses to flip. The wonders of modern technology meet real estate savvy. Happy flipping, and may your investments yield fruitful returns.